All right. Hey, everybody. I just want to go from the very beginning on how to do some more online work. And this is actually me setting up an assignment. So once you log in, this should be the screen that you see, and everything should show up. And you'll just choose your class. So I'm going to start in the weight training myself. And you can just click on the space. And then it comes up right here. It's basically a blank canvas. And the focal point is really this side of the screen. Now on this one, I'm going to add course content. So we go to the plus sign and we're going to create. All right, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to create, and I'm going to go with the folder. All right, I'm going to go with the folder, and I'm going to name the folder week 3. Make it visible to the students, and then I'm going to save it right there. That way the student sees this as soon as they pull up. Now here you want to click on at the actual week. Now we're going to keep creating. We're creators, so we're going to keep creating. Now we're going to go assignment. All right. Now we're going to go assignment. So again, we have a blank canvas here. New assignment 318. I'm just going to change mine to physical activity. Physical activity. Let me turn my ringer down. Okay. Physical activity. We'll just call it number 1. Okay. That's done. Now, due date. I'm still going to set up the due date for this Sunday. Okay. For this Sunday. I make it 11:59 so there's no confusion there. All right. Now, points, everything else stays in. I am going to change this to 2 submissions just in case we run into something new, a new problem. And then we're going to save right there. Now, it's assignment category. I'll go in and correct the percentage a little later on. And don't worry about safe assign because we're not doing a lot of big papers. All right. So now I'm going to go here and I'm going to add text. Okay. Now this is where I'm actually adding this. So I'm going to type a brief message. All right, so that's just a message that I have here, basically saying, hey, we're getting set up with the online learning. Follow my link. Let me pull up my link real quick. And this is the video from earlier, from the other day. We're gonna sign in. You choose an account. All right, go to my channel. All right. So I'm going to use this. I'm just grabbing this link. All right. So I go back, insert the link. I want to make sure it's actually inserted all the way. Now, let's try to have some, very exciting, positive dialogue with our students, because this is a very trying time and they may be anxious. So this is pretty much how we set up the assignment content. I hit save, and this is what the students will see. And again, make it visible to students. You X out of this, and you're back in your content. All right. Now, so if you want to keep it nice and neat, you just click on week 3, or you can keep it visible for you. All right. So that is how to set up an activity up under a folder. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.